What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna
work on this bird bath.
bird bath.
Yeah, it's a drag truck for the birds to play in. It's like a toy. When you go to the park and you got that little car you can get in, turn the wheel. This is what this is.
You giving up on it?
No.
It sounded like I want to, but I ain't.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat her when she gets right. So I'm gonna smack this bitch. You gonna act right.
Alright, I guess.
Put me through all this, you wait, baby. I'm gonna give it back to you, I'll tell you that. You better hope we did some good welding that rear. It's gonna be out there somewhere. And I'm gonna smile.
Today we're gonna try to get the dash in here, I guess. Try to work on the interior. And
What interior?
the door panels and dash.
Oh shit. Here we go, y'all. Another one of them videos.
Another one of those videos. Not getting shit done. We get a little done. We one day in over here. We ain't professional YouTube. We get one day at a time. So this video is one day.
In the weather.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna rain.
Don't say that, bro.
I don't see rain. This is shit. This does not work out good at all. Dang!
You said, nah, it ain't gonna rain. Golly, don't say that. Hey, you know, I was thinking we forgot something last time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Shit.
Do you know what it is?
Do I got a minute to think? Can you give me a hint without telling me the answer?
It's supposed to have been painted with the roll cage.
Painted with the bottom of the roll cage?
Yeah. We didn't sand it or
We
nothing.
didn't do shit. I bet you that shit is rusty.
Yeah.
Whoa! Golly, we just abandoned you down here.
Back here too.
That'd look terrible if we. Good thing you had thought about y'all down here.
So we gotta clean that up and paint that too. And before we do that, I need some help
What?
pulling out some eddy parts out of the truck.
80 parts.
They're probably 300 pounds.
Are you serious? Look at that. Ooh-wee.
Look at that.
Got some tracks for it. They ain't gonna fit.
They're gonna be short, ain't
We
they?
need some little ass tires on it. That ain't gonna fit front to the back already. So what are your plans on that? We're gonna make them three-wheel tracks on the back.
We gotta make this work.
Golly, look at it.
I didn't think it was gonna be as heavy as they are.
Are you crazy, bro? What are we gonna do? Throw them in the yard, right? Shit. Oh shit, it's taking me over. Two broke ass backs trying to move 1,000 pounds and stuff. You said 300, my ass, man. More than 300. Good God. This is more than 300 trying to push it. Yeah. Yeah, you better put 2 LS's in Eddie. Move this shit.
Golly.
This is Ed and Eddie building a relationship.
Will it work?
I ain't gonna work good today. You already took the work out of me. I can't breathe. My back hurts. I need that belt that blows up. Straighten me out. Dang. Them heavy.
They are.
That's heavy right there.
How much you think it weighs?
I don't know, but they don't look that heavy. You said 300 pounds. That's something wrong with that. This gonna be something. Trying to put this dash in. I got a feeling this is gonna turn into something.
Why?
It's gonna end up turning into a square metal box dash. 'Cause the way these bars are, I don't know.
Nah,
We'll see. All right, y'all. So support us and hang with us in this boring all day. Put a dash in the truck project. It's all right. We're only trying to make it right.
He's still working on cleaning those up down there. I got the steering wheel off. We test fitted the dash here. And I'm just going to slowly cut out little sections here with a grinder. And keep test fitting it in there until it fits just right. So this is going to take probably 150 times. We're going to put this dash on now. It's been many hours later. We finally got it bolted in there. We hacked it. We hacked it. We got it hacked in there.
It's hacked in there.
This is the mess we made right here. That's all the stuff we've been hacking. And if you see every little piece, that's how many times we done pulled it in and out. Alright, we gotta continue on. Make sure the rest of this is gonna fit properly. Fun times. Look how much fun I'm having. Now we gotta work on this. And all this little circuit board stuff has gotta go. We gotta trim that some right there where to go around that pipe.
It ain't gonna work on this fuel gauge.
Why?
Because this baby's sticking out.
Yeah, it connects to this. That's why we left it. You're gonna need a fuel gauge.
Here we go.
Snowball.
See, you do one thing, you gotta, here we go. Save money, get a fuel gauge. So, shoot. It is what it is. look, my dumb ass trying to hold it through the window.
I'm gonna do this.
Hold on.
Amphibious way. Antidextrous. What do you call it? Antidextrous.
Yeah, I don't know what y'all even saying. Sounds like a ridiculous word. Around here we just say either hand. Make it a lot easier for people to understand.
Oh, dude, I saw this video last night. We got to try it. Sit on the merry-go-round, take your blower and blow your shit in circles and see how long you hang on.
I always wanted
Motorcycle engine.
Yeah, I always wanted to get one and have a pulley under it with a big belt that runs to a go-kart motor.
Yeah.
See how long you can ride it.
Put it on a street bike mode.
Man, you ridiculous. You gonna put a lawnmower engine in a freaking Ford Explorer
And a street bike motor.
1,000 cc on a merry-go-round. Damn Mavericks, man.
You would ride it?
I would. That's crazy.
Look at that.
A little bit more. Gotta get it in. Cut this corner out.
Yeah, that don't smell right. It don't smell like the rest of the plastic we've been cutting today.
It's probably 30 years of cigarette smoke.
It does smell like a funeral home.
It does, man. It smells like funeral home flowers.
It smells like almost like Goodwill or something. So now we need to find the bolt that'll screw in that thing here.
Alright, there's some bolts taped to something.
Taped to something?
Is it? Yeah, that's the bolt.
I got 1,000 bolts that go nowhere. They don't matter to me.
These
1,000.
are all random bolts too.
They go to all that shit.
You grabbed a bunch of screws out of the screw thing and taped them to your shit.
No.
Don't let these go to nothing.
Because we use them, and you put them in.
He said, "Nuh-uh."
You tell me we missing that many things like
Yeah. That's, look, this is a dash bolt. That's a dash bolt. These are dash bolts. Yeah. It's all them dash bolts. And we took it all apart. Maybe a few extras I found in full board.
Here it comes. You smoking, see, that's what the problem.
I ain't smoking. That's the
We're
problem.
just sitting there.
Yeah. It means relit. The problem is my back's out, so I can't move right.
Yeah, that's gonna work on it. Yeah. We working on door panels now. We trying to cut off his letter holders, whatever these things are. Is that where you keep your bills?
Yeah.
Keep all your receipts for everything you done bought for this truck?
Yeah.
They ain't gonna fit in that.
Nah, you need a file cabinet. Gotta replace it with a file cabinet.
He said, I don't want to cut too much and be gouging that shit. Oh, yeah.
That's exactly what it did, too.
Head over here picking it up, see if it's really hot. Is that shit really hot? Ah!
The bad thing is it stuck to my finger. Then I wiped it off and stuck to this hand.
Yeah. Well, heck, that thing did. That was a nice door pan. Still.
There you go.
There we go.
Nice. Yep.
I don't know how it's gonna work out. We need a door handle. I mean a handle. All right, let's get the speaker box carpet. like the dash.
Glue it through this shit.
Yeah, cover that shit up. I can't see it no more. I ain't worried about it. That shit looks better than it did.
Are you already painting?
No, I'm waiting.
Dang, you got the paint. You got the lid off and everything. You ready, ain't you?
Yeah, I done shook it up and everything. But then I realized I gotta wipe it down. It's probably mess up. You can't get up.
You still got that other one to do.
I got all of them to do. I gotta get up though.
You couldn't just wiggle up there to the next
Hell
one?
no, I ain't gonna wiggling today. You see how I'm moving? I gotta get up and get down. I'm broke, man.
You done went too far.
Yeah, I'm broke. I'm hurt.
It's hard to see under here.
Yeah, it's hard to even do anything with that. I tried. Here, I
You
put
got one glove on.
Yeah, I got a mess in my hand. Yeah, I thought I was only using one hand. Lacquer thinner works on everything. Skin.
You putting lacquer thinner on your face?
Yeah.
Damn.
You said that.
Alright guys, we got all these painted. We got the dash in. I think it turned out pretty decent for a hackery job. Got our door panels in. Well, one panel. We still ain't really decided on what we're gonna do there. We gotta get a thumbnail too.
Of what? We didn't do nothing.
Put the dash in. I guess we can just get a picture of the dash.
It does look good though with that carpet on there.
Look, squat down right there and smile. Shit. Oh yeah. Put your head back. Yeah. Yeah, you good. Now act like you're happy. Act like you ain't in pain and stuff. You gotta look at the camera now. Alright.
It's in.
Now you gotta get back up.
It don't look that bad though.
Yeah.
Once carpet went on there, you can't really tell what it looks like.
Yeah. I think it's gonna work out good. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya!